Hey friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. Lemonade during pregnancy. Whether eating lemon or drinking lemon juice or lemon water during pregnancy good for you, when you should avoid drinking lemonade, and what should be the quantity of lemon per day you should go for easily. So everything we will be discussing in this video, so stay tuned with me. Lemon is a very small, juicy and tangy fruit, and it keeps your body calm, composed and free of toxins. A very wonderful fruit it is, and during pregnancy it has a lot of benefits. But wait, there is one serious thing in lemon, and that is vitamin C. Now this is serious when you are in your first trimester. That means if you are in your first, second or third month of pregnancy, then it is a matter of concern whether you should consume lemon or not. See friends, vitamin C is a thing. If you take it in a large amount, it can prove harmful for you and for the baby in the womb. In the worst case scenario, it can lead to miscarriage. So it is always advised to keep the vitamin C fruits like oranges, amla, lemon away from yourself during your first trimester. But as you cross your first trimester, you are quite safe. The baby inside the womb is very stable. Now you can go for the vitamin C, and a very rich source of vitamin C is lemon. Not only vitamin C, but it has got vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin E, niacin, folate, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, copper, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, phosphorus and protein. So all these things are very important for the development of the baby in the womb, and also they are very much helpful for you during the pregnancy, because they all in some terms get you rid of the various problems that you feel during pregnancy. If you take a glassful of warm water and squeeze a lemon in it and drink it as a first thing in the morning, it is a wonderful thing. It flushes out all the toxins and free radicals from your body and make you feel refreshed for all through the day. This also makes your immunity very strong. Because of the high content of vitamin C in it, it is a very good antioxidant. For the baby also, for the development of baby, it is very useful as it contains potassium and calcium, and they are very much helpful in the development of baby's bones, teeth and muscles. If you are having any type of throat infection, go for a glassful of lemonade. It is very much beneficial for you. In case of indigestion or your food is not digesting properly, you should drink lemonade or nimbu pani, because it strengthens your digestive system and so your food digests properly. During pregnancy, you are advised to drink at least 8 to 10 glassful of water, and drinking sometimes the plain water is a bit difficult thing for you. But if you want to overcome this challenge, you can add lemon into it, some black salt, some sugar in water, and you can drink at least 8 to 10 glassful of it all throughout your day. This will keep your body hydrated and you will not feel low in energy. Lemonade or the lemon juice is also very much helpful if you are having problems like fluctuating blood pressure. More often, if you are having high blood pressure, it is a boon for you. Any sort of stomach problem, complications or stomach ache can be easily solved if you drink a glassful of lemonade. Swelling is a very common problem during pregnancy, and lemon water or the lemonade is highly beneficial to combat the problem of swelling as well. During pregnancy, sometimes you eat more than required, and there is a probability that you are gaining more weight than required. So to control the weight is a very important thing, because it can lead to the complications at the time of delivery. And for this, lemon water is a very good thing. It will keep your body weight in control. Also at the time of labor, lemon water can help you immensely in decreasing the pain. So you should start drinking lemon water after your first trimester to make your body ready for the painless delivery by the end of 9th month. So friends, there are a lot of benefit of drinking lemon water or lemonade during pregnancy. You just need to take care that you need to avoid it during your first trimester. And apart from this, lemon or the lemonade or the lemon juice is a boon for you. But also, anytime do not over consume it. You should restrict the consumption of lemon for maximum 1 lemon per day. So friends, this was all about lemon or the lemonade in this video. Hope you have liked the video. In case you like the video, kindly press the like button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. Let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.